During this pandemic, the outbreak of COVID-19 really freaked us out. Not only the symptoms appear when you are confirmed with COVID-19, but also the post-COVID condition that seems to last forever. A research is done by assessing the long-term effect of COVID-19. Well, the result shows that 11 to 15% of young men has these long-term effects. Wow, the long-term effects including persist coughing, anxiety, headache, and also difficulty in breathing. Under this condition, I always suggest my patient to take herbs because it can help in the replenishment and the recovery of the lung. At the same time, take tiger milk mushroom together because it can help to stimulate the immune cell production and it can help to restore back the inflamed cell in our lung. Do DM us for more information on how TCM can help in replenish and restoring back our lung after COVID-19. I'm Iwan and I'm here to take care of your health and beauty.